Evening, traders. This is Mohit Shankar. So let us see what we have done today. Today is the date. Today it's 4th of August, and from the past 3 days I haven't traded. That is the reason I did not come and put any videos. Yesterday was a very eventful day. Let me just click the 5 day and let me show it to you. Yesterday was a very eventful day because it breached the 15,960 levels, which was the all-time high. Whenever the market breaches 15,960, I am when the market is near to the all-time highs, I never take a trade because anything can happen. Either the profit booking can happen or it might break out on the higher end. So I was not sure about the market movement, so I refrained myself from trading. Now what happened yesterday was that till the time of 2:30, as you can see, there was the market was slowly grinding up, but the final movement of 80 points or 100 points, what it came in the market, as you can see here, the 80 to 100 points, what came in the market was because of short covering. Now there are two things can happen. Let me show it to you in the Nifty investing.com website. I usually use this for all the analysis, as well as whatever software you are using, you can use it. There is no hard and fast rule that you need to use investing.com only. It is very convenient for me to show it when I use Nifty 50 here in investing.com. So now today it has closed at 16,258. Wait, watch till the end. I will show you the analysis as well as the live trade what I have done today. This is a technical chart. uh, Let me show it to you. We ended up making today, we ended up making 30 points because the market was it was not a single way rally like in yesterday. And usually what happens is that when the market gives you 200 points, 200 points in one direction, the next day would be a little sedate only, but it was good in that way. It was not bad. So let me show it to you, a 1 day candle. See, this is what has happened. This was the all time resistance. I mean, this was the all time high, and the market was in the consolidation phase. Now the reason why I'm showing this in green is that this would be our next support turned resistance. This resistance turned support. This will be this will be the resistance, which is now turned into a support. 15,960 level to 900 level will be act as a crucial support for any upward movement. Now the market was in this range from the past 2-3 months. It was only consolidating. 15,500 it used to bounce back, and 15,900 it used to correct. Now we have successfully made this, and now what you can see is that is a runaway gap. What you are seeing, the fear of missing out, the people have bought this. And our position was very clear today. We had to buy, but we had to buy on a dip. If you can see today's trade, let me show you a line chart and indicate today's trade. A line chart is excellent because we use line chart as well. See this, today the market went up and then it made 15,900, sorry, 16,290. This was the all time high, and then it corrected about 80 points. In this correction only we bought this market, and let me show it to you, the call which I have given here. um, See this. This is the chart which I daily update it on the Telegram. Add 16,100 call 5th August expiry to the watch list. And it was very clear. 9:30. It was very clear that we had to be buying this market. There is no way that the market would come down. Wait for my calls to buy, and then we bought it at around 150 levels. Once I saw the dip, this was around 12:30. Half the day, half day. See here, we bought around these levels, and then we're able to make 30 points. Let us quickly go and check the live trading video which I have recorded. And if you are very new to the channel, do consider subscribing it and share it to as many people, because people think that a lack of knowledge, and they just simply think that the market is as simple as buying low and selling high. Yes, it is buy low and sell high, but you need to have the knowledge before you sit with your sacred money, that is with your hard earned money. When you sit for trading, there is always a rule based approach which you need to follow, and you need to have a lot of patience. Like, we did not trade for 3 months, for 3 days, sorry, and then we waited patiently for today, wherein we could sense an opportunity to make some decent profit. This is the trade which I have bought around 154. Then in the later part I did think of averaging it out, and let me show you the 154. This is 16,100 call option, 5th August expiry. And let me show you the date also, so that you know that I am talking about today. Okay, see, this is the chart which I usually use to for the analysis, and let me show the nifty for you. This is the live recording which I am doing. This is nifty for you, and it is 15,000 16,252. So this is at around 12:45. I have just started the trade, and it is at so you see the date also, 4th August. So we will come back, and we will check how we at what point we square off our positions. You can see here this is the end of the day. We squared off and we made a decent profit of 11,230, of about 30 points profit. Now you need to understand that every day we come up with a fresh mind. Now probably we have run up too much from let me show it to you in the chart. We have run up from 16,000 sorry, 15,900 900 levels to about 300, so about 400 points of run what we have seen in just 2 days. What about tomorrow? That we need to see. There is another one interesting thing which I need to tell you is that, let me show you the Telegram channel. This is the SBI call. I had given the SBI call at 280. This was a positional call which I had given to all my students, and we are now sitting at 463. Let me show you the SBI chart for you, and we have squared off. We would be looking to square off all the positions. This was a positional call which he had taken from 280 to 460. It is an excellent more than about, I think more than 70 to 80 percentage what we have made in State Bank of India. So I do regularly give such swing as well as the positional calls. If you would like to interest, if you're interested in joining the Telegram group, just send me a message on the WhatsApp number which is displayed here. I'm conducting the workshop this week from Sunday. So you can join to the workshop as well. Now, one more important announcement is that now students tied up with Enable Cap. Enable Cap is an NBFC, so we have tied up with Enable Cap, and so this is the Kolkata-based company. We have tied up with Enable Cap so that you students can avail 0% EMI. So you can now learn proper trading techniques with me, and you can start trading with me in the Telegram every day at the nominal cost of only 5,000 rupees. So this is what it has increased the affordability for many of the students. I'm very glad that most of them have used this now. It was just we launched it yesterday, and we have got good number of interest already pouring in. So if you would like to take this Enable Cap and then join the course also, you are most welcome. Only condition is that you need to be working, or if you have a business, if you are running your own business, you need to have the business proof. 2 years ITR. Otherwise, if you're working, it's excellent. The loan gets sanctioned within 4 hours, and you start the course on the very same day after your registration. And plus, what you get benefits, you get the swing calls, positional calls, my personal guidance, as well as you'll be on the Telegram. You learn as well as you earn with me on the Telegram channel. So that's it, guys, from today. And do click a thumbs up button, like the video if you have really liked it. And we will come tomorrow. And one more thing which you need to understand is that RBI is going to come up with the bi-monthly monetary policy. So we will have a close watch on it, as well as we are at an all-time high. So we will be little bit we will take our positions, we'll have our positions light, especially when we are going longer. So that's it from me, and you all take care of yourself and have a good day. Bye bye.